Welcome to MakeTinkerShare. My name is Mark Schaefermeyer, and on this channel I like to share a few videos that I make around the shop. A few projects that I make especially for the shop, but also outside of the shop. Projects that I make for people, projects that I make for myself. I really enjoy this maker community. I believe there's a lot of great information out there for us to share. If we don't share it, it might become lost. I hope that on this channel I can help build a community around the ability to be able to make things that you need, to make things that you want. I feel like inspiring other kids and other people to get out in their shops, get out of their element, and start making things. They're going to learn a lot of things. I want to help inspire others to realize their ability to create, to build something that wasn't there before, and to have that satisfaction of knowing that they built it themselves. There's something empowering behind that. I know I feel it myself every time I build something, and I want to help spread that knowledge of how to do something. I feel like you don't truly understand how to do something unless you actually do it. If you can get out and make something, you'll know how to go out and teach how to make something. And that's what I really want out of this channel. I hope you'll come along and subscribe so you can follow along with us as we help try and inspire others. And maybe we'll inspire you. I appreciate you watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. I'm a proud member of Makers Media Network and all of those amazing makers that are part of that network. You can find a link to their site down below. Thanks for watching and coming along on this ride.